Welcome. Settle into this moment as you are. Whatever movement is going on around you, let it continue to go on. And whatever movement is going on inside you, let that continue to go on too. For this simple moment, let all continue to be as it is. Start to notice just how it is. In this moment, right here and right in this now, notice everything you can. If your eyes are open, spend a moment absorbing your surroundings, and if they're closed, enjoy that. See what you see within. Just notice everything you can. Notice all the sounds too. In this moment, what are the loudest and quietest sounds you can hear? Can you hear all sound without judging it to be pleasant or unpleasant? Try hearing all sound the same without concept. Notice if you can hear any quiet too. Where's there any silence? Now come inwards with your awareness. What can you notice in this moment within your physical being? Can you feel the ebb and flow of your breath, the rise and fall? Can you feel the sensation of air brushing against your skin? Can you feel any other sensations? Scan your body from head to toe, being with whatever you find for a moment. Can you feel a sense of stillness within that movement of sensation? Maybe in your body, within its most subtle layers. Maybe in your mind, between thought. Maybe in your deeper conscious awareness. Within all the movement, notice any stillness you can, right here, right now. Be with that stillness a moment more, letting all be as it is. Letting your awareness be aware of itself, being within the realms of spaciousness created as you do. We hope you found a moment of space.